reward sa mga tao. Mas manas tubangan may bawang pila ihatag sa kulita. So, muna nga, in the year 1970, it started the basic ecclesial community, especially in South America, and it spread all over the world. That's why we have lay people, lay partners, mga sacristan, all these things. These are members of the kanalitawag na basic ecclesial community. The Feast of the Holy Trinity, celebrated on the Sunday following Pentecost, invites us into profound mystery of the heart of Christian faith. One God in three persons. Kung pangtanong na ito mga bata, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Di ba, no? Pero 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1. Di yun, mag-away pa mo mga bata. Kaya para nila 3. But in the Blessed Trinity, Holy Trinity is always 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 1. Why? Because there is only one God in three persons. That's why the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, while the doctrine of the Trinity can be intellectually challenging, it is ultimately a truth meant not just to be understood, but to be lived and experienced. At its core, the Trinity reveals that God is a communion of love. That's why